Hebei Donggang Cable Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of wires and cables. The main products include H07RNF, H05RNF, YZ, YC, YZW, YCW rubber flexible cable, H01N2D, H01N2E, YH, YHF welding cable, JHS, TML, NRD submersible pump cable, MYP mining cable, power battery cable, EV new energy car charging pit cable, super flexible robot cable, and a full range of rubber flexible cables. The products are approved by China Compulsory Product Certification, EU CE certification, RoHS certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, and other relevant industry certifications. Our company has been widely trusted and praised by domestic and overseas customers with reliable products quality and perfect after-sales service. Our products are widely used in electricity, coal, oil, shipyards, construction, and urban infrastructure. Our products are being exported to Europe, America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and other regions. Our company has advanced one-stop rubber vulcanization equipment and professional testing equipment. Since company foundation, it has been firmly established. Quality is the life of the enterprise, and customers are the foundation of the survival and development of enterprise. We pursue scientific management, focus on management innovation and technology innovation, and constantly strengthen the quality and service awareness of enterprise personnel. We will continue to provide a perfect after-sales service and the most demanded products back to customers. Confronted with fierce market competition and the challenges